Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Hold on. So today I'm going to be making slime without glue. So I have a face mask here. It's called the Freeman. It's called Freeman Feeling Beautiful. This is the brightening green tea orange blossom peel off face mask gel. So what I'm going to do is pop the top off. I'll be right back. And now I have my cup. Then I have my Tide. You're going to want to put a layer of Tide on top of the slime, like that. Right, let's come over here. Oh. Okay, so to mix the slime together in our hands. Yes, it takes like kind of a long time to form, so it'll start being like this, and then you'll be like, oh, it's ready, but then it'll really not be ready. I'm doing it over this box because I'm doing it on a carpet, and I don't want it to get onto the carpet. So, oh, and you guys like my henna? Ooh. We're gonna move to a different location now. Okay, so now the slime is actually worked. I have a slime and I made the same exact base.
I can't get it to go down. That's all there is to it. It does not work.
slime. But I want it to be sticky the way it is right now. But I think she's home. Okay. Hi, Mima.
Come on, let's have dinner. Jace! Let's have dinner.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give this my brother. All right. I gotta pass my fan. This is very dreamy. So I brought you guys up to my room. Because one, this is a real place I can play with this. Like, in silence. And also, yeah? I'm upstairs. Hold on. I know. She's so annoying. I have this slime here. It needs more base to it because it's not as clear as I'd like it to be. So I'm going to make it into a poop. And then I'm going to take my slime. So I'm going to carefully move it over here so that you guys can see it. So I'm going to put it on this box. And then put it on this. Then put it on this. Then put it on this. Okay, now you guys can kind of see it. I'll just put it on the top. I'll put it like that, so you guys can see it. So now I'm gonna take the slime and put it over top of the other slime. Now I'm gonna mix it in, and this will make the slime bigger. Move all that shit out of the way. I'm gonna show you guys something really cool, and it makes this really crunchy. So I added like a little beads inside of it, and they're amazing. Like they make it so clicky. But my phone is my only camera, so I can't really do an ASMR with this. because I don't have a phone stand to put my phone on when I'm making my videos. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week, the next time, in another slime video maybe. I might do a slime review next time. Alright everyone, I will see you all later.